Did you know that drivers with 20 years of UK residence are suddenly being told they can't work? Meet Sarah, an EU driver who's been on London roads since 2003. Last month, her license renewal got rejected despite having settled status. The problem? Post-Brexit rules have changed everything and nobody told the drivers. That digital settled status you got approved? It's not enough anymore. TfL and councils now want physical documents that didn't exist before 2021. Drivers are calling the Home Office helpline and getting different answers every time. One agent says you're fine, another says you need new paperwork. The worst part? While you're waiting for appeals. You can't work. Processing times are hitting 6 months or more. Legal fees are costing thousands. Documents that worked perfectly before Brexit are now worthless pieces of paper. If you're an EU driver, don't wait for renewal time to find out you're stuck. Check what physical proof you actually need now, not what the government website says you need. Your livelihood depends on getting this right before it's too late.